User research. Know about your user to make their life easier. User research is the method to study of target users, including their needs and pain points. User research also divided into two parts. First one is qualitative research and the second one is quantitative research. Qualitative research ethnographic field studies and interviews are taken examples of methods that can help you build a deeper understanding of why users behave the way they do. For instance, you can interview a small number of users and get sharp insights into their shopping habits by asking them open-minded questions. Usability testing is another dimension of this type of research. Qualitative research requires great care as it involves collecting non-numerical data. Your own opinion might influence findings. Qualitative research. With more structured methods such as surveys, you gather measurable data about what users do and test assumptions you developed from qualitative research. An example is to use an online survey to ask users questions about their shopping habits. You can use this data to find patterns within a large user group. In fact, the larger the sample of representative test users is, the more likely you will have a satisfactorily reliable way of assessing the target user population. Regardless of the method, with careful research, you can gather objective and unbiased data. Nevertheless, quantitative data alone cannot expose deeper human insights. We can also split user research into two approaches: attitudinal, you listen to user words, and second one is behavioral, you watch their actions through observational studies. So here are the methods of user research. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.